The best handheld vacuums for every home in 2023. Unleash cleaning freedom. Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to dive deep into the top 5 handheld vacuums of 2023. You know we got your back, so we're going to list out and explain all the best products you gotta check out. Best overall, Shark UltraCyclone Pro. Alright, let's take a look at the amazing features of the Shark UltraCyclone Pro, the ultimate handheld vacuum. First and foremost, this vacuum boasts a jaw-dropping suction power that leaves its competitors in the dust. It's like having a miniature tornado in your hand, effortlessly gobbling up dirt, dust, and debris from every nook and cranny. What sets the Shark UltraCyclone Pro apart is its exceptional versatility. It's a true all-rounder, tackling both wet and dry messes with ease. Spilled liquids or everyday dirt, no challenge is too big for this powerhouse vacuum. You'll love the variety of attachments that come with this bad boy. With this handheld vacuum. A crevice tool allows you to reach tight spaces, while the dusting brush delicately cleans surfaces without a scratch. And if you have furry friends, the pet hair tool will be a game changer in keeping your home fur-free. Maintaining the Shark UltraCyclone Pro is a breeze. The dust cup is easy to empty, and the washable filters ensure long-lasting performance without the need for constant replacements. Best budget, AutoJoe AJV 1000. Next up, we've got the AutoJoe AJV 1000, the best budget-friendly handheld vacuum that punches above its weight. Don't be fooled by its price. The AutoJoe AJV 1000 delivers solid cleaning performance that won't break the bank. It may not have all the fancy bells and whistles, but what it lacks in frills, it makes up for in efficiency. Let's talk about its cleaning power. The AutoJoe may not match the suction force of high-end models, but it still manages to handle everyday messes with ease. Dust, crumbs, and dirt won't stand a chance against this affordable little champ. One of the standout features of this handheld vacuum is its compact and lightweight design. It's easy to maneuver around your home, making quick cleanups a breeze. Plus, it won't take up much storage space, which is always a bonus, especially if you're tight on room. The AutoJoe is straightforward to use, with a no-nonsense approach to cleaning. It's perfect for those who prefer a fuss-free vacuum that gets the job done without any complications. Best Splurge, BLACK+DECKER HHVK 515 J00FF. Now, get ready to splurge with the BLACK+DECKER HHVK 515 J00FF, the creme de la creme of handheld vacuums. This sleek and stylish vacuum is not just about looks. It means serious business when it comes to performance. If you're willing to invest a bit more, this BLACK+DECKER won't disappoint. First and foremost, let's talk about its powerful suction. This bad boy has some serious sucking power, easily tackling dirt, debris, and even those annoying pet hairs that seem to get everywhere. You'll be amazed at how efficiently it cleans up your space. But the greatness doesn't stop there. The BLACK+DECKER is all about versatility. It comes with a range of attachments that make it a true multitasker. From the crevice tool for tight spots to the brush for delicate surfaces, this vacuum has got you covered for all your cleaning needs. One of the most standout features of this vacuum is its ergonomic design. It's comfortable to hold and maneuver, ensuring you can clean for extended periods without any discomfort. Cleaning has never been so enjoyable. What's more, the BLACK+DECKER is cordless, giving you the freedom to move around without being tied down. No more searching for power outlets or tripping over cords. This vacuum offers hassle-free cleaning. Best handheld, Iris USA. Up next, we've got the Iris USA handheld vacuum, a compact and nimble cleaning companion that's perfect for those who prefer the handheld style. The Iris USA handheld vacuum may be small in size, but it packs a punch when it comes to cleaning. Don't let its compact form fool you. It's a true powerhouse in disguise, ready to tackle your cleaning tasks with ease. One of the standout features of this vacuum is its maneuverability. It's lightweight and easy to handle, allowing you to clean those hard-to-reach places effortlessly. Whether it's under furniture, between cushions, or in tight corners, the Iris USA has you covered. But it's not just about convenience. This handheld vacuum comes with a powerful motor that provides impressive suction. Dirt, dust, and debris are no match for its cleaning prowess. The Iris USA also features a washable filter, which means you can keep it running at its best without spending a fortune on replacement filters. Plus, the dust cup is a breeze to empty, making maintenance a breeze. Another bonus of this handheld vacuum is its versatility. While it may not come with a whole arsenal of attachments, it still manages to handle various services and cleaning tasks effectively. From floors to upholstery, the Iris USA gets the job done without any fuss. Best with a HEPA filter, Nicebay. Last but certainly not least, we have the Nicebay handheld vacuum, the ultimate choice for clean air enthusiasts. What sets the Nicebay apart from the rest is its fantastic HEPA filter. This little powerhouse not only cleans up dirt and debris, but also traps those pesky allergens, ensuring the air in your home is fresh and pure. If you suffer from allergies or simply want to breathe cleaner air, the Nicebay is the vacuum for you. But don't think it's all about the filter. The Nicebay also delivers on performance. With its strong suction, it effortlessly picks up dirt and dust from various surfaces, leaving your home spotless. It's like having a mini air purifier and vacuum cleaner in one. Another feature that stands out is its user-friendly design. The Nicebay is easy to handle and maneuver, making cleaning a breeze. It's lightweight, cordless, and perfect for quick cleanups around the house. Like the other vacuums we've covered, the Nicebay also boasts a washable filter and easy-to-empty dust cup, keeping maintenance simple and cost-effective.
Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our latest uploads.